Hi everyone. Today I will be showing you how to use one of the trading tools that Taurex offers. Trading Central Indicators provides technical analysis that helps traders to make informed decisions by offering insights into market trends, price patterns, and the potential trade opportunities. The indicators generated by Trading Central are based on a combination of quantitative models and expert analysis, providing buy and sell signals that traders can use to enhance their trading strategies. So first we go to View, and then we click on Navigator. We go to Expert Advisors. Here I've got Trading Central installed on my MT5. All I need to do is to drag this into the price chart. And here you can see the pop-up boxes. Just need to click on Allow DLL imports and also click on these two boxes and click on OK. And then you will see a pop-up box from Trading Central. On this page, you can see the ideas generated by Trading Centrals, where the green ones are the bullish pairs and the red ones are the bearish ones. Traders can customize Trading Central's indicators to their specific trading style and strategies, whether they are short-term day traders or long-term investors. On the right-hand corner, you can click on Custom Settings, and here you can choose the bar sizes, the holding time frame, the charts, and technicals. Let's take GBP Euro as example. Here you can see the price pattern and what was found by Trading Central.